It's super cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it.
Hey, my young friends, do you want Stripchat tokens for free? Today I'm going to show you the mod. Let's open it up and look at my tokens. Let's press the button. Let's enable unlimited tokens, and let's see if they go up. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get this Stripchat mod with unlimited tokens, guys, 2025. So let's just wait for it to go up here, as you can see. And we should be all set, all good. All right, and it says finalizing, bang, 999 tokens added. So let's see if they go up. You can see right now I got, oh, it's already working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's super cool, works on all devices. So let's get down into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited Stripchat tokens. So, all right, first thing we're going to do, guys, the first step is going to be go onto this website, tweakmod.com. All right, so this is the website right here. So go on the search bar, type in Stripchat, and then all you have to do is press install, and before it downloads, there will be the last step, which is the verification. So what we got to do, guys, is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app store, and this will install the Stripchat mod into your device, and you're going to have unlimited tokens, guys. No one can stop you. It's super cool. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, guys, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and then we're going to be all good to go. All right, so let's see what happens. So it's loading right now, and then we're gonna have unlimited Stripchat tokens. So here we are in the last step. You can see it says missing files. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then we'll have unlimited Stripchat tokens. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we have the Family Island, which says reach level 11, so it's a game, so I could do that. So just make sure you do 2 of these, guys, and then you will have unlimited tokens.